this one, now I doubled this, so it's a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Then you mix it all really good together. So let's do that right now. So let's put the I'll put the baking soda in first. Okay, so because I doubled it, I've got a cup of baking soda. Now you can add a little bit more water if you need to. So I got that mixed. Now I'm going to tell you one thing from all the research I've done, and the reason why people add white paint is because as your clay or air dry foam, whichever you want to call it, starts drying up, it will start to turn yellow. Now I'm wondering if because it's the baking soda in this recipe, because some recipes you just use baby powder. Like there's different ones. The older ones had the talc in it, and the new ones have cornstarch. So basically some recipes are just with the cornstarch. This one is with both. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the white paint. But see how... So then now this one here, most of the other... You can do this in the oven, on a pot. You should be mixing it in a pot on the stove, and then you keep cooking it until it pulls away. So this one I'm going to do in this container, because it's pretty thick now, right? It's not that runny, so it shouldn't take long. So I'm like a heaping tablespoon of paint, right? See, it just came right out. Then do that, and then I think I'm going to add some glue in there. See what I mean? It just comes right off. You can use now I'm alternating this recipe, right? Because any other ones that I've seen has glue in it, the white glue. You can use the school glue. This is glue, all-purpose glue, or you can use see, it came right off. So that's a good little trick to know. I thought it was anyway. Okay, so let's mix that, and then once that's mixed, we will go to the microwave. Okay guys, so see, I got it out of the... See how it's starting? You're supposed to mix it as you go, right? As it's being cooked. That's why I thought I tried it in the microwave. I did a different... Because that recipe that I already got done, I believe that's a different... because that one... I had different stuff, like some recipes they put vinegar. They put vinegar in some of the recipes. I think the one that this one here that I already did, pretty sure I've got vinegar in there. And what that does is it helps your design from getting moldy, right? Okay. So I'm going to go put it in for another minute, and then I'll be back. But you see how it's starting to clump up? And that's what you want, right? I'll be back. Okay, so you can see now, right? So far that was 2 minutes. And this is in the microwave. Eventually I'm going to get a different container that it holds the heat, and I don't want the plastic to melt in here either, right? But there we go. I think I'm going to put it in for 1 more minute, because look, it is getting thicker, but you want a consistency of like a bread dough, or you know, pastry dough, right? Actually, I'm probably just going to put it in for, I don't know, 50 seconds or something like that. I think that's all I need to put it in for. But we'll see here. Okay, sorry about the hat. I forgot to. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I think now it's pretty much done. I might have to add a little bit of water to it. The consistency is looking not too bad. Okay, so I'm going to let this cool off. Then we can play with it a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to put it back in here. And I'm going to let it sit and cool off. And I'll be